Ano ba talaga?
We're going to Hidden Falls in Samboan.
Til Samboan.
Til Samboan.
I see goat.
I see goat.
I don't want to touch goat. Let me see goat. Mama!
It's raining. It's about almost a kilometer going to the Hidden Falls. First layer, no? First stage. So mga 15 minutes na siyang lakaw. 15. Hi Dave. Hi everyone, we are now here on the second level of the Hidden Falls. It's very cold. Look here, behind me. There. That's the first level. This is. Oh wait. Yeah, back na! Nataasan na ni Kuya, oy! Hi everyone, we are here in Samboan church. Whenever we are in Samboan, we always pass by the church. So this is the church, okay? This is the main entrance. So we are going to find a restaurant to have our lunch before we set off to Cebu. Okay. So we are convoy with the senior citizens. So my husband is the one driving the other car and me on this car. Okay, I'll see you. Trisha. Hi everyone, we just stopped here in Hinatilan just to buy some bread. This bread is cheese bread. There's a cheese inside. So we are kind of hungry. It's already about past
12:45.
Yeah, past 12 and we haven't had our lunch yet. And it's, when you can see here guys, I'm gonna show it to you. So in here guys, you can see this is an old house, and from the other side you can see some modern houses over here. Okay, so it's kind of cloudy. Hi guys, we are here in Barili, so we had to stop at this area because of the view. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, it's very nice here, guys. So this is from the Sulas bus stop. So we have to stop here because it's very beautiful. I mean, the view is just beautiful.